You probably heard the term agents running in parallel and had no idea what that actually means. Here's what it means in plain English. While you're on a client call, Perplexity Computer is tracking your other clients, building your meeting prep document for tomorrow, and doing research on a new prospect, all at the same time, not one after the other, all at once. That's what parallel agents look like. And today, I'm going to show you how to set this up, including where it broke and what I had to fix. If you're managing a bunch of clients or prospects, you know the drill. You wake up early, you open your laptop, and you spend the first 30 minutes just figuring out where you left off, who hasn't replied, who you have meetings with, what you need to prep, where everything's at. I was doing this at 4 a.m. every morning. Now, here's the thing. Claude can do scheduled tasks too, but there's a catch. Claude only runs if your computer is on and you're in an active session. Perplexity Computer runs whether your laptop is open or not. It's cloud-based. It runs on a schedule and it reports back to you. That's the difference. Let me show you what I actually built. So first thing I did was I connected my Gmail. This is a one-click OAuth flow. You just hit authorize. It pops up, Google sign in, and done. No API keys, no developer setup, just one click. Then I set up a task. Every morning at 4 a.m., scan my inbox for replies from my active pipeline contacts, check my email, check my calendar for the day, and give me a briefing on what needs my attention. Simple enough, right? Here's where it got interesting. First run, it ran. I got a notification, but I never saw it. I actually slept in that day, and there was no file, no email. The output just existed in a notification inside Perplexity. And if you didn't catch it, it was gone. That's a real limitation, and I'm going to be honest about it. If you set this up and don't have push notifications enabled, the work disappears. You literally get nothing. So I had to update the task. Instead of just sending an in-app notification, I had it email the briefing to my inbox at 4 a.m. And this is what I woke up to. 3 things it flagged this morning. 1, a prospect hadn't accepted her 11 a.m. meeting. I sent a quick, see you at 11, and she confirmed 5 minutes later. 2, someone I was working with had responded to my questions 5 days earlier, and I hadn't replied. 5 days, that's too long. I sent that reply first thing. And 3, a partner on a key meeting hadn't confirmed. I went in knowing I might be presenting to one person instead of 2. That's it. That's the briefing. 3 action items waiting in my inbox before I had coffee. Quick note on pricing before you run off to sign up. I'm on the max plan. That's $200 a month. Yeah, I paid it. I'm testing it so you don't have to figure it out yourself. But Computer is now available on the Pro plan too, which is just $20 a month. Sure, you get lower credits, but it works. If you want to try it out without dropping $200, start there. Just know the credits go fast if you're running parallel research tasks. So keep an eye on it. Now here's my honest take. I do want to be clear about something because I know some of you are going to ask, does this replace Claude? No. Claude is still where I build everything. My workflow files, my client deliverables, my instruction layers, all of that lives in Claude. That's my product. That's where I live. That doesn't move. To be fair though, I do use OpenAI as well. Perplexity fills a completely different lane. It's the ops layer running in the background. Live Gmail access, schedule tasks that fire whether I'm at my desk or not, parallel research when I need to look up 50 things at once, or if I need to compare what Claude is saying versus what Perplexity is saying versus what Gemini is saying. But essentially, Claude builds things, Perplexity operates. They're not competing, they're stacked. So if you're running a CPA managing 20 or more clients, or you're running a finance team and you're drowning in inbox triage, this is worth looking at. It's not perfect. I show you where it broke, but the core workflow, the briefing in my inbox every morning before I start, that part works, and it's already saving me time. If you want me to help you set this up for your practice, send me a message or drop a comment. That link is in the description. Or just try it out yourself, and if you get stuck, give me a shout. If you want more of this, real AI tools for real finance workflows, not theory, subscribe. I drop new videos every week.